There. And this has been morphing. Now you know that wasn't there before. You know it wasn't. We've been through this sky, how many? 4 videos. For 4 videos. Okay, now keep an eye on those 3 that I'm pointing at. These are all 3 1. All 3 of them are. This will come back. Yeah, there it is. So those 3 are 1. And that has been moving and morphing. And I'm sorry to bring this. I'm sorry. But it's there. And I'm going to upload it. Okay, now those 3 things were moving before. Just to let you know. They are all 3 craft, for sure. And then you can see little invisible-ish ones. I think that's one too. Yeah. I think that one might be too. And then there's one on the bottom. Below this line. But watch that. It's not a moon, by the way. You know that was not there before. And it is doing things, so. Just watch it. I don't know if you should watch those 3 or watch that. I actually think there's 2 here. That one and that one. And I think that's one, of course. Look at this. This is going off into the corner. Slowly but surely. And that's all I can do is get like that. Okay, now watch these. Yeah, that's 4 of them. It's not 3, it's 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then watch that. Slowly but surely it's getting closer over there. And there's something off the corner of it. Just watch it. It's doing something and it's changing shape a little. It was a little rounder before, but now it's not. It changed shape on the last time I taped it. But it is moving over to the right. Too quickly. It was over here. Oh man, it's going now. I don't want to lose it. This is a crazy video. And like I said, you know it wasn't there before. There was nothing up there. And there's 4 videos right before this one to prove it. If that leaves the screen, I'm gonna stop the video and upload. It is gonna leave the screen, by the way. It's getting closer and closer, and there's nothing I can do about it. I can only go down a little bit. If it just goes up, we got it. But it's going over. They have it draw to these. Oh man, it's going. Why aren't there whatever's planes chasing it? Or checking it out, or why is it allowed to be there? We're losing it. If anyone can look it up on something really big, that'd be cool. This has been one very interesting night. Very interesting. Look how quick it's leaving. Man. Look at it. I mean, it's floating away. Just floating away. Right before our eyes. And I can't get over there. Nope, there's nowhere to go.